Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel Lady Like May. This is Sherry. In today's video, I will be talking about polishes and these are from Live Love Polish. If you're interested with my thoughts about the products, then please keep on watching. Live Love Polish is a website that offers unique polishes that are one of a kind, beautiful, and fun. Also, it says here on their website that their polishes are free from chemicals such as formaldehyde, toluene, and dibutylphthalate. Indeed, they really have gorgeous collections of colors. They have chrome, holographic, which by the way is approved by no other than simply Logical. I love her so much. And of course, they also have an amazing vegan nail polishes. The presentation of their products are clear. Some of it have videos that shows how the polish applies and of course its opacity. Below you can also see the reviews of other customers and pretty much everything that you really need from this website about the polish that you're trying to buy is provided for you. This is what I got for my first purchase. The box, as you can see, is super cute. There's my card and of course my polishes. The first one that I got here is called Pride Must Suffer Pain. Next is the color Halcyon, and I also got their quick dry top coat. Let's begin to test these products out. First, let me try the Halcyon. This is actually a rose gold metallic polish with real silver flakes. As you can see, it has a classy, gorgeous color. I love the texture, the way it applies. I'm super pleased with how the first application looks like. It is completely opaque in 2 coats. It's really super shiny and I'm blown away with the color. It has a great quality, honestly, if you're looking for that, perfect rose gold polish. I know it's hard to find, but this one is for you and you are gonna love this polish even more because this is vegan. This is available right now on their website, so go ahead and grab it. These next polish that I'm showing you right here is super cool. Again, this is called Pride Must Suffer Pain. I am not over the moon about the color, but its effects is amazing. And also just a heads up, I checked online and at the moment this is not available, so I am sorry for that. I purchased this last year, so that explains why I have it, but let me show you how cool this polish is. Right now it looks purple with some aqua green, some red shifting flakes. This has a magical mermaid vibe color. When I was testing this out, I observed that it is sheer and that I have to do 3 coats to get the opacity that I want. It also have a weird kind of finish. Let me just put on a top coat and then I'll show you what it looks like after. So this is how it looks like after. It looks like an ombre nails, but this is actually a thermal polish and it changes its color. I have 2 bowls over here. Let me just check my nails if it's ready. Yeah, I have 2 bowls over here, one warm and the other is cold. It turns purple when it is submerged to cold water and it turns turquoise if it is in warm water. Pretty cool, huh? I really enjoyed doing this because this is my first thermal polish. If this becomes available again, I just want you to know that on their website it says that thermal polish has a typical shelf life of 6 months to 1 year and it may begin to lose their ability to change color after that. To wrap up this video, I can totally say that I love this brand. I can wear the polish for a week without any chipping, so it really does last long. However, I observed that if I use this particular brand, it tends to make my nails really yellow compared to the other drugstore brand that I sometimes use. But overall, I really adore this website. It has amazing varieties of polishes. The color payoff is amazing. It is really worth it. You get to use amazing polishes that are non-toxic. And that's it for this video. Hope you find it informative. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone. I will see you on my next one.